So, what's up, guys? Good morning. I'm sorry. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everyone. How you guys doing? My health. I'm doing okay. I'm doing good. I'm feeling better now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, I haven't been feeling too well, but it's fine. I mean, we're not gods now, so sometimes we would fall sick and we would also recover. So let me share my chat. I hope you guys can hear me and you guys can hear me clearly. Someone is asking, am I Igbo? No, I'm not Igbo, I'm Yoruba. I'm Yoruba. My Yoruba name is my Yoruba name is Adebayo. Let me share my screen. Someone says now strong life is this. I don't understand. What do you mean by strong life? My Yoruba name is Adebayo, abeg. Orúkọ mi ni Adébáyọ̀, kí ló dé? What's going on? What's your own? Why you doubting my why you doubting my tribe? Please relax. Someone say Ade. Orúkọ mi ni Adébáyọ̀. I'm a Yoruba boy, born and brought up in Lagos. I was born and brought up in Lagos. Yes. So yes, so Adebayo ní orúkọ ọ̀gá wa. Yes, exactly. I like you, the law. Thank you for letting them know my name proper. Then why the Onyeka? Is it your business? I mean, I can still be Onyeka and I can still be Adebayo. Kilo coin, what's your own? Eh? Um, uh, so guys, someone said, Ta! Rotimi, you are just doubting. Thomas. So I mean enough of the joke. Because all the kilo shele gongo. I mean, nothing is shele, everywhere just day. Everywhere day. So enough of the joke actually, guys. So Welcome everybody. Today is another Sunday. It's 8 already. Okay, and we are here to analyze the market. Okay, so if this is your first time joining the live stream, we have how many people here? 32. Well, the number is not that bad, but I mean, we should have, we should be like 100 persons here now. So, well, it's on Sunday, so everybody, I mean, we are still increasing. So, welcome everybody. Okay, welcome guys. My For those asking for my health is fine. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much for asking. If this is your first time, well, I know. I mean, if this is your first time, you should see that this is a vibe. I mean, we never even start. We don't the vibe. This is how it is. This is how we used to learn every time. Okay. So what we do here is we come every Sunday by 8 p.m. to analyze the market together. Try and prepare our minds towards things to expect in the market. Okay, so this is just like a mindset prep, a mindset preparation, and trust me, guys, you would love it. If this is your first time, you would love it. Okay, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. A banger. It's a banger. So and remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, if this is your first time, like and subscribe. If this is your first time, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you, Rotimi. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Um, well, let's get down to the market. So first of all, we analyze gold, right? We analyze gold, then we go to GBP USD, then we go to USD JPY, then we go to US 30. That's how we do it. Okay. Let me clear out everything here. Good. So on XAUSD, right? On XAUSD, which is good, right? We can see that on the daily time frame, okay, on our daily time frame, price is still kind of inside of that range, but when we talk of internal structure, right? On our daily time frame, price is still inside of a range, okay, but internal structure wise, we are still bullish. Price is still giving us this. Price is still giving us this and this and this, like for the internal structure, right? So we are still bullish and we are looking out for price to break out of this range. But I don't know this what fundamentals is all about, because the kind of news I'm seeing these days, I don't know if some of them are fake or if some of them are real. Because trust me, it's not every news you see out there. Tomorrow night you might see USA has dropped 2 nuclear bombs in Iran. It might not be true. So it's not every news you see out there that you believe, okay? So but fundamentals are definitely going to affect the market. That's one thing. That's one thing I know for sure. Fundamentals is definitely going to affect the market. And trust me, people are right now. Yeah, I know he gave a speech actually. I watched the speech. I know he gave a speech. Trump gave a speech. I watched it. So the way we are right now, yeah, we are waiting, we are anticipating for the market open. That is how like 50 traders, or sorry, that's how like almost all the traders actually are waiting out to see how the market is going to how the market is going to open, what to expect for the new week, this and that. And people that are in the market right now, sorry, people that are in like that were holding trades are very, very scared because they don't know if the market is going to open with a massive gap. Because whenever gap, when market opens, and that massive gap is going to fuck people over. I've it, and trust me, I don't want to experience it again. So, but technical wise, like technically, what we are seeing on XAUSD is we are still bearish. Oh, sorry, we are still bullish, right? Because looking at how all these candlesticks are forming, okay, and also how structure is forming, right? We are still bullish. Do you guys understand that? So now let's go to like our 4 hours time frame. I want to share something. Drawing out your Fibonacci on that 4 hours time frame. So point A to point B on your 4 hours, we can see that price is sitting on our 61.8. Can we see that? Price is sitting on our 61.8. And not just that, that place is also serving as a what? As a dynamic support area. Do you guys understand? So, I mean, all these things, what I'm seeing right now, I'm trying to see like a transition. Okay, I'm trying to see like a transition on that 61.8, but you can't really judge based off of what we are seeing on the higher time frame. So I'll most likely wait out to see some shift. Well, this is kind of a nice shift. This is a nice break. Okay, that's a nice break around that 61.8. So we are seeing a shift of structure around that 61.8, but price is still trading below our moving averages, which is some kind of red flag for me. So I'll not even be looking out to see right now, or like around our M30 time frame. M30 time frame price is still kind of below the moving average. I won't really count this as a break. I won't really count this as a break of our moving average, but it can also be a break if price consolidates from that zone. Do you guys understand? If price consolidates from that zone, remember that area is what, 23.6. So we can see consolidation, then we see a spike up. So if this happens, then we know that this moving average has been broken successfully. Do you guys understand that? So for now on XAU, I'm kind of seeing this area to be a transitioning phase. So don't take any sales on XAU, guys. I'm not even going to lie. Exactly. A double bottom is also formed around that 61.8. That's like a bullish reversal pattern. Are you guys seeing that? So and we are seeing a valid break of resistance also. So I wouldn't really advise anybody to take buys, or sorry, to take sales on XAUS, that's on gold right now. I won't advise you to take sales. I'll just advise you to chill out and see how Monday market moves. Okay. And also a quick advice for you guys: for those that are not in any trade, don't put yourself in a rush to take a trade on Monday. Do you guys understand? To take a trade on Monday, because trust me, Monday is going to be really, really crazy. I'm not even going to lie. Monday is going to be crazy because of the whole expectations that people are having towards markets. Do you understand? A whole lot of traders are having a whole lot of different expectations of the whole fundamentals that has been going on during the week. I'm seeing this just be a retracement, right? I'm seeing retracement, impulsive move. So I'm seeing this just be a retracement, this is still my target. My target is still 3,560. So I am observing. I want price to give me an all-time high on XAU USD. Okay, and I know that this war that is currently happening is going to push gold to a new all-time high. Do you understand? So let's see how it's going to play out. Okay, so let's see how it's going to play out. So short term, with my system holding, like not taking any trade, but I'm still looking out for buying setups on XAU. Okay, so let's go to GBP USD. Do you guys understand? Any question on XAU before I proceed? Any question? Do you understand the analysis on gold before I proceed? Are you guys still here with me? Hello? Okay, good. So someone said no question. Someone said no question, no question, no question. That's great. So on XAU, just look out for more buys. Look out for more buys. If you guys observe, throughout last week, I did not take any trade. Throughout last week, I did not take any trade because price was selling. And trust me, just know that Phoenix doesn't take. I hate taking retracement trades. I hate taking counter sales, counter trades. Any trade that is going against the market trend, I do not like. I don't want to be a part of it because it's really stressful. Just know me for that. Do you understand? I take trades when price is flowing towards its target or towards the main trend. Do you get? So This wholesale, I was not a part of it, so that is me. Throughout last week, I didn't call out, even for my VIP, I didn't call out any trade for them, even for the main. And based on the fact that I didn't call out any trade for the community, people were leaving the community. Trust me, a lot of subscribers were leaving because I did not call trade. That's what shows you people that are not going to be profitable because they just like being in a place whereby every single moment they are being they are being told to do this, do that, do this, do that. I mean, if you are in the community, like in my Telegram community, trust me, it's not every day I call trades. I only call trades when I see a high probability trade. That's why when I call trade, I have confidence in calling that trade. So if I don't call trade for a week, trust me that I am not seeing any confidence set up to call out because I know that when I say buy GBP USD or buy XAUSD, hundreds of people are risking their money because they trust my what? They trust my decision. They trust they trust my judgment. So I wouldn't want to jeopardize people money just because I want to be calling trade every day. I'll rather sit on my hands and call out trade tangible setup. Do you guys understand that? So I can go a week without calling a trade. That doesn't mean I'm not active or anything. That is just the fact that I don't want to risk people's money unnecessarily. Do you understand? So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's go to USD. GBP USD. Well, so on GBP USD, right? Like I said I was anticipating a shift on this time frame, which we basically saw the price. So basically, I said I was anticipating for price to shift, give us a shift here, which we saw a structural break. We saw price broke above this resistance, and this is some kind of retracement. So for me though, I'm kind of like still bullish on GBP USD for the week. For next week, I'm still bullish on GBP USD because I don't know if it was the news, but GBP was crazily tanking. I was like, what the hell? Guys, I was like, what is going on? But I mean, if you know structure very well, you will see that structure has not been broken here, and everything is still very much intact. You guys understand? My bootcamp students should relate to this. Also, my normal students should relate to this. Structure is still very much intact, and using my random line, price is still respecting that zone, right? Do you understand? Price is still respecting that zone. There's no valid break around that point. So what we are seeing now is for price to build up another higher, build up momentum to break above this moving average. So this is still my target on GBP USD. I'm still extremely bullish on GBP USD. Okay, I'm still bullish on GBP USD. I'm not seeing any structural shift as of the moment. Okay, on our daily time frame, we can still see higher lows being formed, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So basically, this could be another higher low, right? That is being formed around here. So even though you mark out your fib from point A to point B, you can see that that area is a valid PRZ area. That area is a 38.2 PRZ level. Sorry. So that area is your 38.2 PRZ level, and price closed with a body on that point. Are you seeing it? Price closed with a body on that zone. So I'm still bullish. Sorry, you make una no vex. This is where this thing is supposed to be. Good. So I'm still bullish on GBP USD, right? I'm still bullish, and I'm waiting out to see how price is going to react from that zone where it is. Okay. Are you guys flowing? If you guys are still with me, I need each and every one of you to say active. We have how many people here? 40. We have 50% here, so we have 50% here and we have 19 likes. Bro, how many times am I going to say this for God's sake? Immediately you are joining, straight up go and like the live stream. Immediately you are joining, go straight up and like the live stream. Okay, how many times am I going to say this? Should I roll on the floor to beg you guys? So we need to see 40. Sorry, we have 46 persons here. So we need to see. Bruh. So we need to see 46 likes. We need to see 46 likes. I've said this thing so many times. Immediately you join, make sure you like. Immediately you join, make sure you like. Immediately you join, make sure you like. Okay. Someone said the funny thing is the previous week you had all blues week, but 1 week of no trade they left. I mean, that's human beings for you actually. Human beings are always attracted to where they are always making profit, profit, profit. So that's human beings. So I'm not even surprised. I'm not even surprised. So trust me, people are still going to leave. A lot of people are still going to leave because I don't care if you leave or if you join. The only thing I care is stay and learn. Just learn. Do you understand? Learn. That's the only thing. So on GBP USD, I'm anticipating a push up from here. USD JPY. USD JPY daily time frame. Bro. So on USD JPY, we can see that price has basically gotten to that our main resistance, that strong resistance that was formed, that price was reacting to. Price has gotten to that zone again. Okay, well, I can't, but I mean, I'm still neutral on this pair. I just can't see what price is trying to do here. Price is our dynamic resistance, so we could still see there's still possibility of seeing a short from here. So buys. Remember, I told you guys I don't go against the market trend. Do you understand? This market trend is still bearish, so I don't want to go against the market trend because I don't want to get lost in thought. Now I'm thinking that the price is bullish, why price is about to reverse or price is about to retrace. So on USDJPY, price has been going up and down, up and down, up and down, and price is around that major resistance again. So could we see a short from here? We don't know yet. Could we see a buy continuation from here? We do not know yet. Do you guys understand? So let's just observe. So this area is just going to be an observation zone. So for me though, if I see a bearish candle close, like the next candle that to be from here closed bearish, I'm going to look out for sales. If I see the next candle, let me explain. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. So if I see the next candle on GBP, on if I see the next candle on USDJPY close like this, with like close with a bearish, body, right? Then I'll keep on. I'll still maintain that sell bias on USDJPY. Okay, so for now I'm still neutral, just observing, and but more bearish than bullish on this pair. I'm more bearish than bullish on this pair for now. Trust me, because price is just consolidating, just ranging, ranging, ranging. Okay, so let's just observe and see how it goes. USD CHF. Somebody in the comment section has been crying USD CHF. It's like that guy is in a trade. You are in USD CHF trade, and price now closed on you, and you are scared. So if I now tell if you're on a buying trade and I told you the price is going to say, well, what are you going to do? Would you trust your analysis? So on USD sorry, USD CHF, price is still bearish to me. We analyzed this last week though. Price is still bearish to me. Price is still giving us lower highs. So I don't know what's your bias actually though. I don't know what's your bias. So price is still bearish. If your bias is buys, sorry for you. But price is still bearish to me though, because we're still seeing lower highs, and price is still trading below moving averages. So I mean, and marking out from point A to point B, we are around our 61 area. Price is kind of ranging around that point. So I'm still bearish on GS USD CHF. Why are you guys laughing in the comment section? I don't understand. Because I said sorry for you. I mean, I don't know. I don't know actually. Okay, you're holding your sales. That's not bad. That's not bad. So the buyer, I'm still bearish on. What's your moving average bias? Well, I think I told my students and the bootcamp students also. So they have that. So if you're not part of them, you don't have access to that. Sorry about that. So US 30. So it's bro. You say your SL is what actually? It's 81. Hey, Jesus. Where was your entry, my nigga? Where was your entry? Where's the entry? Where's the stop? Where's your entry? What was your entry? So I'll know. Well, I'll know how to help you out if I'm even going to help. Well, I think we've lost him. Well, he's not here again. Do you do market review every week on Sundays at 8 p.m.? Yes, we do market reviews every week on Sundays by 8 p.m. Every week, every Sunday. No, we are always here together like a family. We're a family actually. Remember, I told you guys one thing. I said I can't this Phoenix brand is not just my brand, it's your brand also. So this is a family. Do you understand? So we do this every Sunday, and not just every Sunday, also we do this every month, every day. We do this every day by 7 a.m. We take trades together, live trades together. We make money together, we lose money together. So we do this every day, okay? Okay, your entry was around 81,800. 81,800. Let's see. 81,800 shorts. Impute entry 81,800. Your stop losses is 81,999. Wait, what's going on? Sorry, profit. Your entry is 81,800, right? Sorry, I made a mistake. 81,800. Good. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. 19 pips, that's not bad. That's not bad. Trust me, it's not bad. Good trade actually. Good trade. So this is like a swing setup. So if you are going to hold for the swing, this is like a swing setup on USD JPY. So not bad. You could also even mark out a CTL like this, and not also bad. So you can also mark out a CTL, and maybe you can wait for price to give you something like this. Then you take your trades from the lower highs. Do you understand? So this is not bad also. Okay. Um, guys, what pair are we analyzing next? What pair are we analyzing next? US 30. Guys, trust me, US 30 has just been crazy. I don't know why, but it has been ranging around this zone. Like, bro, what the hell? US 30 has been ranging. This is just a range. It's not giving anything. US 30 is not giving anything at all. So it's just ranging. I'm just going to be observing. Maybe we might see a breakout this week. Okay, but I'm just observing. No too much, nothing too much on US 30 because the price is still bullish. Overall on this pair, and trust me, guys. Let me remove all this. I might just maybe mark out a CTL. This CTL is not bad actually. Um, nah, no. This is not good for a CTL actually. So let's just wait out and see how USD sorry, US 30 plays out. Okay, but above all, price is still respecting this our area. Okay, price is still respecting that zone. Okay, this particular point, yes. So price is still respecting it to show you that what structure is still very much intact. Okay, so there is no break. There is no break. What pair should we analyze? Someone said DXY. Bruh, guys, I don't analyze DXY. I don't know. I don't like it. So we've done USD, JPY, US 30, XEUSD, and GBP USD. Okay. Well, let me give you guys a quick advice to start the week. Do you understand? For those that have blown their accounts, make sure you go again. Blow your account again because if you don't blow your account, there is no way you're going to learn. I'm telling you the real truth. I know it's a painful truth, but that's the real truth. For those that have blown your account, go again because nobody's going to come and help you. Do you understand? Buy another account again, go again. If you cry from now to tomorrow, nobody's going to come and help you. Do you understand my point? One thing I want to let you guys know is, this trading game or this trading industry is big enough for everybody to be successful. That's what there's nothing like there is nothing like I'll have to be successful more than this person. I have to be successful more than this person. Do you understand my point? It's big enough for everybody to be successful in this trading game. And I'll advise each and every one of you watching me right now not to not to give up because I know a whole lot of people have given up in trading. Trust me. I'll advise you not to give up because it took me years actually to get to this level. And when I tell you it took me years to get to this level, what I mean by this level is a level at which I can go 1 week without trading. I think that is the hardest thing for traders to do. Like going straight up 1 week without trading. I think that is one of the hardest things for traders to do. Going 1 week without trading. So it took me years to get to this level. You know, I mean, I could go a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks without trading. That is once you can do those little things, going a week, 2 weeks without trading, then trust me, you find yourself becoming more profitable because now you can actually tell yourself what to do in the market because most traders can't tell themselves what to do in the market. There are some traders whereby they tell themselves, I'm not going to trade today. Have you ever been in this situation where you tell yourself, I'm not going to trade today? At the end of the day, you find yourself trading. That's like you are not yet in control of yourself whenever you're in the market. So for you to become profitable, you have to be in control of yourself. So if you tell yourself, I'm not going to do this thing, you stand on your right that you are not going to do it. I'm not going to take trade today, you are not going to take trade today. And when price gets to this level, I'm going to close my trade. When it gets to that level, actually close your trade and don't start procrastinating on giving yourself excuse not to close your trade. Okay? So I mean, all these things are things that you have to build up as a trader. You have to build them up as a trader. You have to build character. Trading is one career that helps you build character. Do you understand? Trading is one career or one industry that helps you build character. Anybody that doesn't have a good character, you can't trust me, you cannot. There's a whole lot of reason why people are not yet profitable in trading. Oh. Some is not even technical, some is not even psychology. Some is the problem is they are their problem. Do you understand my point? There are people that they are their own problem. Like they've gone through all the whole psychology videos, they've done everything, but they are not still profitable because what the problem is in them. They have bad character, like they are being molded with bad character. Do you understand? So my advice is for you to become profitable. I think that's like my main focus for each and every one of you out here. For you to become profitable, you have to work on yourself. Do you understand? Self-realization is very important. Realize the fact that okay, I am the one causing my downfall. I'm the cause of my problem. Yes, yes, it's bad characters. Trust me. You can imagine somebody saying, I'm not going to trade today. Then at the end of the day, you see that person trading. Well, what would you classify that as? Like you don't even have control of yourself. There are people that will be like, when price gets to this area, I'll take my profit. When price actually gets to that area, they don't take their profit. Why? Now they are violating their own rules. Like that's bad character. So for you to be able to get profitable in this industry, right? You have to character wise, you have to build yourself. Character wise, you have to build yourself. As long as you don't have character, there's no discipline. Discipline is categorized under character. Do you understand? Character is like the head thing, but you see discipline, integrity, like how am I going to say it? Self-belief. All these things are under character. So once your character is not in check, trust me, there's no profitability for you. It's not all about sniper entry. It's not all about catching. Bruh, I don't know how to explain it. Trading is psychology, how you think. How you think. I used to ask you guys, those your mentors on Twitter that used to catch sniper entries, have you not paid for their mentorship? Are you still profitable? Answer that question. Those your mentors that are catching sniper entry, that are doing this one and that one, have you not bought their mentorship? Have you not paid for their mentorship class? Are you still profitable? You are not profitable. It's not like as if your village people are costing you or anything. The problem is you. You have to, the way you think, the way you look at the market, your approach towards the market. That your mentor can go a week without trading, 2 weeks without trading because he has not seen his setup, right? But you as a person, right? You just want to take trade. You want to be in the market. You want to actively trade. You want to see, hey, yes, I dey make money. Na me dey hot. That's not how it is. Everything is about how you think. This is what will make you profitable. Do you understand? Yes, fine and fair, good. You have to have a working edge, a particular edge that works. Do you understand? You have to have a particular strategy that works. But trust me, every strategy is profitable. Support and resistance is profitable. I know of a trader that trades only support and resistance, but trust me, the money is bagging. Most of me sef, I never see that kind of money. But he only trades support and resistance. So as long as the strategy you learned it from somebody that is profitable, and that's what the person is using, that strategy is working, is a working strategy. Now the problem is not now the strategy, the problem is you. Do you understand? I used to tell my students that strategy will not take you 5 months to learn, but you see psychology will take you years to learn. It will take you years to be able to sit on your hands and look at the market move without taking a single trade. If you think it's easy, try it on Monday. Sit on your hands like this and look at the market moving and you not take a trade. That's the hardest thing for traders to do. Do you guys understand my point? Your mindset, all that. That's all. That is what differentiates you from that profitable trader and that person that is profitable. That's what differentiates the both of them. How they think. The both people, the two of you, right? The two of you might be using the same strategy, but one is profitable and the other one is not profitable. Why? How they think. This other one can say, do you know what? I'm not seeing any setup here. Why am I stressing myself? Why am I even in this market? I mean, I should be doing something else. Why the other one will be like, bro, the other one will be lying to him or herself just because they want to take a trade. That's not how it's done. That is not it. If you want to be profitable, it's not your strategy. I swear, it's not your strategy. Every strategy that you're, every strategy that your mentor is teaching you is working. The problem is you are the problem. Do you get? You are the problem. You want to buy Lamborghini tomorrow. You want to do this one. You want to buy house tomorrow. You want to be like Phoenix tomorrow. Phoenix sef cry. Phoenix lose accounts. Phoenix suffer before I got to this level. That your mentor that you're looking at, the person cried, the person suffered, but nobody's going to. Rarely would you see traders come out and tell you and show you their past when they were suffering. Do you understand? Really, it's just like the other day I showed you guys. I've lost over how many? Over 40 prop firm accounts. I can count over 40 from MFF to FTMO to funding. Over 40 prop firm accounts. But did I give up? No. That's why I said earlier on that if you keep on blowing account, keep on blowing that account, because if you don't blow that account, you will never learn your lessons. The best situation for anybody to learn is at your lowest. Do you understand? The best situation to learn is at your lowest. When you are at your lowest, that is when you learn. When you don't really lose account, so that you don't get money again. Once you buy your last account, you be like, bro, you relax and trade. Do you understand? The best position to learn in life is when you're at your lowest. If you are not at your lowest, you are going to find it very hard to learn. I learned my lesson at when I was like at my lowest, like when I had nothing. That was when I had to sit down and realize that, bro, I am the cause of my problems. I have to change some certain things that I'm doing. Do you guys understand my point? So trading is normally everything we come here. You guys will see if we come here, we analyze, we do this, we do that. Analysis is not hard. You just have to know one or two terminologies, know one or two things to do. But the hard aspect of trading that people are not focusing on is the psychology aspect. Trust me. Okay, how am I going to say this? How many times have you gone on YouTube and you see your mentor talking about trading psychology? The only thing they talk about is, this is the strategy that got me from $100 to $5 million. This is the strategy that got me from $1 to $2 million. This is how I was able to flip $500. I mean, deceiving traders, keeping you in that it. They would never tell you that this is not trading is not all about strategies, how you think, it's the mindset, how you approach the market, how you see the market, how your character towards the market. That's what makes you profitable. It's not that strategy. A whole lot of traders they've been in the loop of thinking that strategy is the cause of their problem. Why they don't know that the cause of their problem is right in front of them, that they are the cause of their problem. Do you understand? That's so you have to get this that mindset is the main thing. In Yoruba land, like I'm a Yoruba boy, in Yoruba land they say mindset is the koko. Do you get? Is the main thing. That's the main thing you have to focus on. How you react when you are looking at the market. Can you go a day or 2 or 3 days without taking trade? Can you sit on your hands? Those are questions you should ask yourself. Can I sit on my hands? Can I look at the market like this and say I'm not going to trade, and I'll actually respect my decisions? A whole lot of people cannot do that. Trust me, a whole lot of people cannot do that. And they are buying these mentors, these their, I don't know, I don't want to call anybody's name, but these their YouTube mentors idea, strategy this, strategy that. Is not the strategy. Remove yourself from that rat race chasing the perfect strategy. It's not the strategy. Do you understand? It's not by you getting the lowest liquidity sweep. It's not by you getting the snipest entry. It's by how you think. Me, I don't used to catch sniper entry. Me, I'll not lie to you. Have you ever seen me say sniper entry? I don't have time for those ones. My point is I want to make money. I don't care about sniper entries. Do you understand? So you should remove your mindset from I want to catch sniper entry to shift that your mindset. There should be a shift from that I want to be catching sniper entry to I want to be a disciplined trader. Focus on being disciplined. Focus on your mindset. Let there be that shift. Let there be that shift in your mindset because once you're always looking out for omo bro guy I wan catch make I fit catch this entry from here entry from you're wasting your time. You are wasting your time. Okay, so I think that's that. I've said enough before this my sickness will come again. Abeg make man no die. um so I hope, well, if this is your first time joining the Sunday live stream, we used to do this every Sunday. Welcome for the new members. If this is your first time, make sure you like and subscribe, okay? Make sure you go to the channel, like and subscribe, okay? Make sure you like and subscribe. I've said this so many times. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, watch the YouTube videos, and trust me, you will learn a lot. Me, the only thing I preach about, I don't preach about strategy. I am a trader that's out. I like my main purpose of being out there is to let traders know that it's not all about strategy. Your mindset. It took me years to understand that mindset is all it takes you to get profitable. Do you understand? How you think is all it takes to get you profitable. It's not just the analysis, no. And 80% of your mentors out there, even you guys watching these things, your mentors out there, 80% of them are out there on YouTube selling strategy. The strategy that got me from that the strategy that made me a millionaire, the strategy that bought me my first car, the strategy, everything is the strategy that gave me $12,000. Bruh, it's not about strategy. I'll keep on telling you that it's not all about strategy. How you think. Do you understand? How you think. Remove the fact that you want to be catching sniper entry and put it in your mind that I want to be a disciplined trader. Tell yourself today that I want to be a disciplined trader. I want to be that trader that will tell myself that I will not trade today and I'll actually not trade that day. I want to be a trader that will tell myself that when price gets to this stop loss, I will take out my trade. And when it actually gets to that stop loss, you will take out your trade and you will not shift your stop loss and say, no, price will retrace. Price will retrace. Be disciplined. That is the only thing that can help you. Be disciplined. Do you understand my point? So that is that, and I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a vibe. Welcome again. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and peace out, my big family. Remember, Phoenix Creed is not just mine; it's also yours. So we are in this together. It's a collaboration between me and my people. You get? So I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll analyze again if there's any trade. Someone said the gold. Oh, someone's saying is the gold guy, please. I don't understand. Who is the gold guy? What's the gold guy asking? Please, what's the gold guy asking? I was on to retreat. Let me check. So on XAUSD, right? Let's go to the lower time frame. On XAU, price is reacting towards 23.6. Bruh. So price is reacting towards 23. I think that good guy, the guy is scared of losing his account. Oh my days. So price is reacting towards 23.6 is ranging. Price has broken our moving average, right? Price has broken moving average is ranging around 23.6. Let's validate that. We are seeing some kind of, we are seeing this. Okay, we are seeing this. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, so if you're on a sell on gold, I'll just advise you to, I don't know, take your profits. If you are in profit, take your profits. You can break even. Like I said, I will not advise anybody to take sales on gold right now. Okay, I'll not advise anybody to take sales on gold right now because gold has, it's giving us little shift on that lower time frame. So I wouldn't advise anybody to take sales on gold now. So you just have to chill out. Okay, close. That's the answer. Close your gold sales and wait out. Tomorrow is Monday, and there's a whole lot of news. There's a whole lot of events that happen this weekend. So tomorrow, trust me, there'll be, I don't know, crazy gap. Okay, so just close out and relax. Trust me, if you don't take a trade tomorrow, you will not die. We still have Monday to Friday. Okay, so just chop price. Exactly, that's the word. That's the word. Just chop price. So just close. Don't stress yourself. Okay, I'm in sell already. I just want to ask, that gold you open us on a sell or buy, like up or down. How am I supposed to know? I'm not gold. I'm not the market maker. I don't know if the gap is going to open up. Do you want me to like you? Do you want me to say, okay, yes, it's going to open? What you I cannot tell you. I cannot sugarcoat anything. Do you understand? I can't sugarcoat anything right now. So I can't tell you it's going to open with a bearish gap or a bullish gap. Well, the only thing I'll tell you is to just close when it opens, because there might be, even though if you don't want to close, you can break even. Okay, or you can just accept your trade and hold your trade. Do you understand? Trust your analysis. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope each and every one of you enjoyed the live stream. Did you guys enjoy the live stream? Let's get feedback. Did you guys enjoy the live stream? Let me get feedbacks. Did you guys enjoy? If you enjoyed the live stream, someone said I know. If you guys enjoyed the live stream, let me know. Say something. You can say active, or if you guys enjoyed the live stream. So let's know that you guys enjoyed the live stream. Or you can drop emojis, drop fire emojis. Exactly. Drop fire emojis. Everybody, if you guys enjoyed the live stream, drop fire emojis. I said drop fire emojis. I did not say you should type yes. So if you guys enjoyed the live stream, drop fire emojis. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. So everyone enjoyed the live stream. That's nice. That's nice. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and let's make money. It's a new week. It's a vibe. Bye, guys. Bye, my people. Peace out. Big family. Peace out, guys.